Here I'm performing the cable woodchops or cable anti-rotation exercise. Now, unlike the cable pull-off press, this is going to be slightly different. You can see that I've already set the angle or the height of the cable at where my chest is. And now when I'm setting it up, I am just making sure that my hands are straight. My arms are not being used in this exercise at all. In fact, they are just only an accessory to this movement. The most important thing here is that my rotation is coming through my torso or my trunk or my core. Right? You can see even my legs, they are kept straight and they are not moving the whole time. The whole power is generated through my core or obliques. Now here in another angle, I'm showing you I've set the cable at the height of where my chest is. This is so that when I grab the cable and I extend my arm forward, it is at my chest height. Now once again, my arms are doing nothing. They are just extended forward and they are kept straight. Right? I do not want you to use your arms in this movement. The arms are only accessory to this exercise and they are only there to hold the cable. But the whole power in generating that force or rotation away from the cable is through my trunk or my core muscle. So when I'm going backwards, I'm controlling the movement. And then when I'm driving away from the origin or the cable starting position, I am doing it as fast as I can. So the key movement here is doing it as fast as you can or driving away as far from the cable quickly, but controlling it back as you allow the cable to go backwards. So you're going to be engaging both the core muscle on either side, the external and internal obliques on the left and right. They will be pulling you away and they'll be controlling it back. Okay, so a few tips once again for doing this movement. One, set the cable height at your chest level so that when you pull the cable and extend your arm up, it is where your chest is. Number two, your arms are not used at all. They are straight, right? Your arms are straight. They should not be assisting the movement. Number three, generate all power through your core. When you're driving away from the origin, move as fast as you can, but control it backwards as you allow the cable to go back. And number four, same thing for your feet and your arms. They are not moving. My legs, if you can see, they are staying stagnant throughout and they are facing square to the front, right? They are not moving. It's only my torso that is generating the power through the entire movement. Now you can do this movement with different variations. You can do it low to high or high to low, meaning if you set the cable at a high position, you'll be doing it from high to low, meaning driving it down in diagonal direction. Or you can set it from low to high, meaning you set the cable down and you drive the cable upwards from a bottom to up position. I'm just doing it at the chest level and it's going to be in that plane where I'm just driving it away from the cable with no high or low angle.